Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Band Outdoor Weatherproof WLAN Amplifier. This is a 1200 meter dual band Wi-Fi repeater for outdoor. With repeater function, AP function and router mode. We can have here the 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz network enabled if we like that. We have a built-in hidden antenna system, an IP65 waterproof level, a dustproof for outdoor use, of course. This comes because of the high technology chipsets, 12 dBi, high gain antennas, and a high quality materials PoE power supply. Is CPA specialized design for outdoor use, and whether it is windy or rainy, no problem. Durable, weatherproof housing that can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Hot or cold, no problem. It can work perfectly in almost any climatic, with operation temperature from -40 degrees up to 70 degrees Celsius plus. These are 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Equipped with built-in hidden antenna, the dual band technology 5 GHz with 867 Mbps per second and 2.4 GHz with 300 megabit per second. Enjoy, because of this, an online 4K video streaming if you like, or games without buffering or interruption. And, of course, a good wireless Wi-Fi security. This Wi-Fi repeater meets the security standards WPA, WPA, PSKey, WPA2, and that's okay. It protects our network security to the highest degrees and support concealing the SSID and the blacklists by the pool or in parking lots. We enjoy reliable Wi-Fi connection wherever we are. The range can be reached up to 200 meters. This Wi-Fi booster is compatible with 99% of all routers and devices on the market. Expand the Wi-Fi coverage for smartphones, smart televisions, Fire Stick, Google Chrome, web surfing, Alexa Echo, Ring, and more. It covers up to 200 square meters and 35 devices. And it's easy. We have here the model AP1200 with 128 megabit of RAM, random access memory. The wireless standards are 802.11 ABG and AC. Wireless band is 2.4 and of course the 5 GHz network band 2. 16 dBi high gain antenna. We have LAN ports, 2 on the go, 1 and 2. We have 1 DC port and 1 reset button. The PoE adapter supports the 802.3 AF standard up to 100 meters. And the power consumption is 5 watts. IP6 with waterproof, yeah, that's cool. And on the screen of this device, we have an LED display. The LED display says, "Oh, no link. Please check if you enter the correct Wi-Fi password." The LED display shows a 5. Successful connection, signal is good. It shows 7. Successful connection, signal is pretty good. And display 9, signal is excellent. Really cool. It's easy to set up, as you can see in that video here. We plug in the adapter to a power outlet and connect a repeater on a PoE injector. The power LED will light up on green. We open the Wi-Fi settings on our mobile phone, for example, or tablet or computer or something else. We search and connect to the repeater, which is in our network now. We log in. And then, we choose the repeater mode and wait 10 seconds. The system scans all networks. Then we click the name of the existing Wi-Fi network we want to extend. We enter the Wi-Fi password of this Wi-Fi network. We click finish button. Once we complete the steps, we can extend reboot automatically. Now, under AP mode, we connect the network cable after the connectivity is finished. Under AP mode, the digital display remains number O. We choose an AP mode and click next button, for example. We type the network SSID and the Wi-Fi password. And of course, we click finish, job's done. So you can see we can use a repeater mode or an AP mode. In this case here, I showed you the repeater mode because this is the often choose the one where you like to use your repeater, of course. That means an existed Wi-Fi network is there and you like to gain it by using this repeater. And after this, oh wow, professional design for harsh outdoor, and the AC 1200 makes it possible with 5 GHz network and 2.4 GHz network. MU-MIO, AD 1300 dual band speed, seamless roaming, SDN, mesh, and PoE powered. So it's really easy to gain your Wi-Fi network with this MeTown Outdoor Weatherproof WiFi Amplifier. Woo! This is a dual band Wi-Fi repeater for outdoor use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.